Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to set up the macro photos apps and how to take them on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first thing I would recommend you to do is to, when you're in a photo app, just press the little four dots here and set the megapixels to, I would recommend 200 or 50. And now I'll show you that your phone will automatically switch between the macro camera and the normal one when you will be taking your photos, and you'll see it when I change the zoom, and it will go above 5x, and you will see it in a second. So let's just increase the zoom. As you can see, the camera will change. I'll try to do it smoothly, so just give me a second. As you can see, we have the slider, and if we go above 5, the camera will in fact change. As you can see, the camera changed onto the macro mode, the second camera right here, and you will see in a second that if we focus, it should work fine, and the camera has changed. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.